I'm attracted to the practice of Iyengar yoga for its emphasis with the precision of alignments, its creative use of props. I appreciate the corrections and adjustments given by the teachers, and also I'm very inspired by the effective demonstrations presented in all classes.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha. I'm so drawn to Iyengar yoga because about 12 years ago I went to my first class. I have a scoliosis and I immediately noticed that the teachers have such a dedication to detail, and there's all ages, sizes, kinds of people with injuries, not injuries in class, and everyone's taken care of, and it's a very precise, focused type of yoga.